Look, it's a garden with kids stuff and shit. And we grow stuff. Well, we try to grow stuff. Spinach is pretty good. And strawberries. There's no flowers, or very little flowers. Maybe down there somewhere they are. But we also got bees. But I don't do any beekeeping. But I'm helping bees. Are you helping bees? Where's your flowers? They're probably all dead. Look at these guys. They're doing their thing. Let's have a look how much of a thing they're doing. Yeah. They're about there now. So they're more than 3/4. So they're getting there. They'll be fine for winter. I haven't done anything. They're just doing their thing. Are you doing your thing? How cool is that?